All right, just out of the blue, my mower just started going crazy. The blade was just sounding like it hit something, or was maybe loose, you know, coming off or something. Very horrible sound. So I want to let you listen to that. So I'm gonna start it back up here. All right, I had it on its rear end. That's why you saw the smoke. But I'm going to engage the blade just for a second, or just for like a second, because it's not good. Okay, so yeah, you heard it, I guess. It's really dangerous sound. I was in the yard trying to figure it out, so I kind of left that on there. I thought it was ran over something. I just didn't see, like maybe a big stick or something. So I'm gonna raise it. I have raised it before making the video. So I've got an idea what's going on. I'll show you what that is. Here we are sitting on the rear. This is why it was smoking so bad. If you got a battery, don't leave it up like this very long at all. Here's the blade, and it's not loose. Okay, so I also thought it might have been idler pulley coming loose. Here's the belt. Here's where the lever that you engage it, so it's working like it's supposed to. Down there is the main pulley going to the engine, and you can see the belt is where it's supposed to be. Yeah, I checked the idler pulley. It has free movement. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, it's not stuck or, you know, broke or anything, so that's all good. I immediately saw a bunch of rope, twine, string around it, and that's what I thought it was. I mean, it was much more than this right here. A neighbor has had some work done. They had this fence and this fence put up recently. This one they actually did a good job. It's a different crew. The other crew, they just left the yard, or I'm sorry, they just left the string in my yard over here. So before I've got caught up in it, but I didn't think it was still on there. So yeah, that's the first thing I saw again, and I said, well, I must have ran over some more. But that's that really pissed me off that they would work on the fence and leave their trash behind. So I thought it was that, and restarted it and did the same thing. So what's happening is, this is a high back blade that Snapper puts on a lot of them that have the the bagger for the bagger, which I don't have on any of my mowers anymore. To make it easier to collect, they put these fins on the blade. So this one still has it. Here's the one that fell off today. I walked out in the yard and saw it. So when I saw there's only one, that was the first thing I thought of. So I did go out and look, and yeah, I found it in the yard. So it's pretty much 100% sure that's what it is. It's got to be. It's just completely off balance. So I guess the fin, let me show you. Yeah, the wing or the fin it just broke off. So there's bolts that hold it on, or nuts, and they didn't come off. So part of it, I guess, is still on there. So what I'm going to do is, instead of, I don't have time to really undo the nuts on each side, I'm just going to break this one just like the other one, and maybe it'll be balanced at that point, and then come back at another time and take the rest of it off. It's these 3 nuts, and could use a good sharpening here as well. But yeah, let me try to get this wing or fin or whatever it's called off real quick. Okay, so here it is. If you can see what I'm doing here, got some channel locks on it. I'll start up here. Yeah, this will be better. I'm gonna take a little while. Feel it getting easier to bend. Still with me? And there we go. Alright, that's the one I just took off. That's the one that fell off. Let's go ahead and start the mower and see if it sounds better. Alright, always start these in neutral. And let's take a listen and see if we're okay now. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's all it was. I thought it was going to be worse than that, but not a real big deal. And I don't bag the grass, so when I do get another blade, I'm not going to bother getting one of those winged high bag blades. If I didn't say it, yeah, it's designed to, because the bags they're pretty high, you know, so it raises the grass up easier in the bag. So pretty good design. And it's been many, many years before it came off. So if you got a new snapper, you know, and you don't use your bagger, just leave them on there, because, you know, this is probably 30 years old. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.